Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Today we're going to be making pancit with shrimp and vegetable. As you see, I've already went ahead and prepared the vegetables that we're going to use today. This is rice noodle. We soaked it, okay? I soaked it to where it's nice and soft and workable, okay? Not brittle. Here we have our onion, our shrimp, some lemon, some cabbage, some broccoli, some carrots, and some chicken broth, some cooking oil, vegetable, salt and pepper, some soy sauce, and some garlic. Don't forget our onion. Okay guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, let's saute garlic. Let's saute our garlic and our onion. Put that all in there. This is wonderful. Okay guys, this is good. I don't want to get our garlic anymore. Let's throw in our shrimp. All right. We're going to season it nicely with salt and pepper. Don't be shy. All right. Wonderful. All right. This is what you want. Add our vegetables. Here's our carrots. Okay, guys. We're gonna add our broccoli. Wonderful. And our cabbage. Get it all in there. All right. Let all that cook down. And our soy sauce. Wonderful. All right. We're just incorporating everything nicely. Mix it nicely. Get all those flavors going. You know me and my flavors, guys. Incorporate it nicely. Pull it from the bottom and pull it up. From the bottom up. Wonderful. Let all this cook down. You're going to get the nice natural juices from the broccoli, the carrots, and the cabbage. They hold a lot of water. All right. Okay, guys, look at this. This is what you want. Look at that. Vegetables are nice and tender. You add your chicken broth. Get that in there. Wonderful. All right. Get all that flavor in there. Wonderful. Now we're going to add our rice noodle. Wonderful. Okay, guys. This is what you want to do. Mix everything in. Remember, we use 1 chicken cube. We dissolve it in a cup of hot water. You see, get all those flavors going. And we just circling in, incorporating our nice rice noodle. Okay? Just keep working it in. Oh, look at all this. This is delicious. All right? That's how you get all your nice flavors coming in. Look at that. Look at that. Alright guys, I'm just going to sprinkle a little more black pepper just to kick it up a little bit. Oh yeah, that should do it. Alright, this is looking great. Pancit with shrimp and vegetable. This is it. Let's give this a nice taste. Wonderful. 1 second. I don't know about you. I'm getting right in there. Hold on. All right. I taste all of the flavors coming together. Let's serve this up, guys. Okay, guys, there's your fresh lemon. You could squeeze on there, give that nice, wonderful flavor come out. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and I would love to hear from you. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.